Oh, you're all right, everybody? I'm not today, but I'm just cracking on with these review videos. Girlfriend's daughter borrows car to go to work. Manages to somehow leave the keys in. She shuts the door, and the door's locked by themselves. It does do that sometimes, and we haven't told her that sometimes it's got a mind of its own. And we haven't got a spare set, and the keys are in the car, so obviously I've been running around trying to sort everyone out. When I should be telling you about the bit of good news I've had, which is that my pop-up banner from Illow is working. Yes, that's what we're looking at today. Illow is a sort of... I'll just show you quickly now before I give you the full review. Here it is on the website. I've changed those colours so it looks like that. It's that cookie preference. It's very versatile. You can have it so that you can have custom permissions for your site so people can choose what they accept. You can also pick their own privacy policy and their policies, or change them to one that suits you. And yeah, it looks good, and it's a good tool. I've put a link in the description of this video, which is a good deal link. So check it out if you want it. Check out the link in the description. So here we go, straight into it. Let's just go for it. Right, that is showing on my incognito browser. To show it is there. You can change everything about it. You can change it so it looks like that, and see the cookie thing there. You can change that as well. Let's just go back to show you it on the website and how you set it up. Where is it? It is. It's here and here. Right, so when you are on the Illow site, and it was very easy for me to get this point just to link my website, just follow their simple instructions once you've signed up, and it will link the site, and that is how the banner looks on your site. But you can choose where it appears. So if you want it in the corner like that, you select in the corner. Just let me scroll through to show you. If you want it full size at the bottom, it'll look like that at the bottom, or you can have it appearing at the top. I actually think, give it a bit of time, that I think it actually gives it, that's the spread out banner look. I don't think it appears like that, but it might take a bit of time to change. Don't worry too much about that. It was showing. If you want to change the colour on it, you can. So my website, let's have a look at, let's try and match the colours on my website. So my website looks, I probably want it in that blue colour, don't I? Okay, so I'm going to customise it now to look like that. So we will have the background in blue. Where are we? What do you think? So let me make this page a bit smaller to make it look easier. Sorry, this is not my best review, but I am having one of those days. Hope you appreciate me keeping it real. I could have gone and cried today with everything that's been going on, but no. Keeping it real. Is that about right? Let's have a look. Yeah, that. Maybe a little bit darker, touch darker. I can hear someone banging now as well. I've got it all going on today. Oh dear. Please don't give me a negative review for this review. And then what about the text for the site? Let's customise it. I think yellow text will go well with that. So the text will go yellow. That looks good. I'm happy with that for my site. And the black font will stick with it. I don't think white's going to look right. Let's just try white. No, actually, that's perfect. So I'm happy with that. Do I have to click save? Save changes. If I want to change, I'll just show you so it changes. And I'll click save changes. I could make that more personal, but we're not going to worry about that. I don't think it's going to show on the site straight away, but we'll have a look and see if it does. Let's refresh the page. I don't think it'll propagate. That's the word I'm using today, propagate. Has it? It has straight away. So now on my website, you can see that it is now showing in those colours. So yeah. So anybody visiting my site now will be able to accept the cookies or reject them, or pick custom permissions. So yeah, statistics, yeah, preferences, yeah, marketing. Or if they just accept all, they just click accept all and they're accepted. All right, and that'll show there. Okay, let's go back now and show you some other things you can do with it. So you've got your home page. That is where the website is going to show. It tells you I've had 44. The deal I've got at the moment, I can have 1 million visitors this month, which is great. Oh, we'll get there soon. 44 so far in the last day. Go and check out my website, phils.deals. You can, as I say, I've just shown you, change the banner to suit you. It's got cookie right. These are things like Canva, because I use Canva. WordPress. I would go with... Listen, I'm not an expert on this. Okay, so, all right, so it's got different cookies there, and you can classify them, whether these cookies are statistics, marketing, or preference. But read up on that. I'm not an expert on that. But you can do that. The cookie consent log. Right, that is people who have accepted the cookies on my website. So that's interesting, that. I mean, according to this, I've got a lot of... Is DE Germany? Apparently, I've had a lot of visitors from Germany today on my website. Hello? Oh, I'm going to get in trouble now with all the Germans. Hello, guten Tag. 2 from the GB, 1 from GS. All right, so that shows the IP. That was actually the same person. That was probably a bot visiting my site. In real terms, let's be dead honest, in real terms, I probably had 1 person visit my website. It's not big yet. And the rest are probably a bot in Germany. Advanced settings. Right, so this is interesting. This is worth looking at. Show banner only on these countries where it's required. All right, so there's no point showing the banner where you don't need to show the banner. That would apply to the GDPR. You don't need to show it in countries outside Europe. Block cookies until the users consent. That covers your back. Hide the powered by Illow message. That's up to you if you want to help promote Illow or not. And activate CCPA mode, which is just this special banner when people view the site in California. They've got an extra one. All right, so I've put it on. I don't think I've got many, but I might as well have it to cover my back. That is that. The policies. So I am using the Illow cookie policy, but if I had my own, I could use that one. I am also using, well, I'm using the privacy policy from Illow, and I've edited that policy. So if you go on to that when you set it up, and you can add your details into there, and that will create a privacy policy for you with your details, your business details within Illow. And I think that's about it, everybody. Sorry for the rant at the start of the video. I do try and keep them a bit... Yeah, you need to know a bit about me, don't you? I am having one of those weeks at the moment where I just don't seem to be getting done. I actually love when I'm stressed out believe it or not, making these videos is my de-stress. Yeah, I just sometimes need to be alone, lock myself wherever I am. I'm in my van at the moment, and sit here and do a few videos. All right, that is Illow, everybody. Final thoughts. My final thoughts actually are really positive because, bless him, I've got this Turkish guy, not Turkish, Moroccan guy who sort of makes my website, and I pay him on Fiverr every time he does a job, and I said I needed the pop-up banner and everything, and he took ages doing it, and bless him, did his best. But even though he's done a good job, and I know it sounds I'm tight paying someone on Fiverr, but I'm not quite sure whether he's covered all of the, that it's covering my back on everything. Whereas obviously if I get the banner through Illow, my back is covered. I know that it's safe, and it seems to be easy to set up. Just the one thing, and it's not a criticism, it did take a long time from the initial setup to the propagation, where it was showing on the site. But I've checked back 24 hours later, and it's on the site. So if you do get it, check out the link in the description for a good deal. If you do get it, it might take a bit of time for it to actually show on your site. Okay, that is Illow. If you enjoy a crazy man, I'm allowed to say that word in 2023, doing some software review videos and also getting wound up about stuff, then it would be great if you can subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe as well. All right. If this video has made you smile, if you're in the software world, tell a few people to subscribe. It's one of them. What I've realized about YouTube is it's a curve like this. So the more subscribers you get, the more videos you get, the more subscribers then you get, and growth of views and videos every day. So it is going up slowly, but I've got to keep on cracking on, and it helps me. Cheers, everyone. I'm waffling. Don't unsubscribe. Take care. I'll see you soon.